This video is supported by Viewnet Group. For more information on this build and any other things related to computers, gadgets, and accessories, please click the link below.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So today we're in Viewnet at LowYat, continuing our series of building gaming freak-based computers at our customer shop. So today we're joined with Susan, who'll be helping out building a mid-range gaming PC that is fully gaming freak themed. So we're going to be using the Hubble chassis as the main component of this build, and also a couple of peripherals from our brand itself. So we're going to go in and we're going to check out the specs and start picking out the items. Right, so we're here at Viewnet's DIY section. So we have all of the computer hardware available here, all the way from GPUs to mobos, RAM, SSDs, you name it. So the specs that we are working with today, courtesy of Viewnet, is an Intel i7-7700 3.6 GHz. We're working with an Asus Maximus 9 Apex motherboard. RAM is G.Skill DDR4 Trident Z RGB. We got two pieces of a 16GB modules. We're working with Transcend's M.2 drive, which is at 256 gigabytes. And obviously the Gaming Freak Hubble as our main case. And we are working with an Asus GTX 1060 at 6 gigabytes. That's the Strix edition, as well as an AeroCool KCast 700 watt. So we're gonna work with Susan here, and she's gonna pick out the parts, and let's get to it. So okay guys, we have all the parts here. Susan has helped us pick out all the parts as mentioned before. We got the GPU, the mobile, the RAM, the processor, and also the power supply. So now we're going to go straight into the assembly of the PC, and we're going to head into the time lapse, and we're going to see what this PC looks like at the end of this build. So stay tuned. Okay guys, and that is it for this build. As you can see, the computer is all complete. We have the hollow fans in the front. As you can see, the RGB Trident Z RAM modules, as well as the 1060 inside, and also the RGB Asus ROG motherboard inside there. Now this computer just looks straight up amazing, and I'd like to thank Susan and Viewnet here for putting it together. So if you guys are interested, this computer is also on sale. You can get it for $5,999 here at Viewnet, hand built by us, level 3 LowYat. So we'll have all the information in the link of this post on Facebook. If you're on YouTube, you can check the link in the description below. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. And from me and Susan, see you guys later.